Hi guys, it's Keith with Arkenberg Farms. Today my son Nicholas is going to teach you how to plant cat grass.
Hi. What you do is to plant cat grass. First, you want to take many shot glasses. Yeah, and you want to have a what you want to do is you want to place your cups. You want to make holes in the bottom so that the roots can grow out. And so you stick as many as you want in. I'm using a 50 flat set. I'm using a 50 cell flat, but it's cut in half, so it's only 25. So it's a lot easier to use water and stuff. So now that you have all this done, what you want to do is you want to take some dirt and get it in every hole. You don't want to pack it, you just want to get it all out. You want to spread it out. You want to make sure everything is same level, but you don't want to pack it down. You just want to lightly place it around. So after that, I just got a little more dirt. Oh, what was that? It's dirt in there. Now that you got all your dirt, then what you want to do is you want to take your seed and dump them in. So what you want to do next is, after you place down all your dirt, you want to make another thing, place down another 25 red cups, but without any holes in them, and then you want to glue them onto however big of a flat you make, however big of a flat you use. You want to do that again, but you want to cut off the bottom of the set flat to where it's only the top and the cups, and then you just pack it down in with this, and then after that you take your seeds, you take your cat grass seeds. I use about 1/4 of a tablespoon for every single one of them. You want to get them in like the center. And then you just do that for every single one of them. I try my best to get close to 1/4 of a tablespoon as possible. I'm using 1/2 a tablespoon. So, yeah. So you just, once you fill all these up, you basically, well, I'm trying to go as fast as possible. Getting through all these. And see, like, stuff like that happens sometimes. Like, you're just placing them down, you just putting them in, and some of them spills somewhere, so like you gotta add a little more sometimes. But after you're done, oh god, that one was too much. After that, what you want to finish doing all these, placing them all in here. And then after you are done, what you do next is you take your packer that you made, and you want to do the same exact thing. You want to push it all down. And once they're all pushed down, then you want to have more dirt on. This time you want to pack it. You want to pack it a little more than you did last time. You want to actually kind of push it down in. And then you use this thing again. You do the exact thing you did after you put in all the dirt the first time. You just push it in to, you just push the dirt down. And after that, like, if you might need to smooth it a little bit, you're gonna have to do it again. Make sure to get it evenly everywhere, and then after you're done with that. Okay guys, so we got our the bottom part of our cat grass area thing, whatever. And then you want to take your thing, go ahead and put it in, and hold on, give me a second while I go ahead and clean this up. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take our flat, find a water hose or source, whatever, and then we want to turn this on. So, good. Okay. Are we recording? Oh God! Excuse me. Now it's time to water the cat grass. So first what you do is you want to mist, and you want to just slightly mist them evenly. And then after that you want to then what you want to do is you want to fill up. So then what you want to do is you want to take your, you want to fill up your, thing about so basically you want to make it to where it's about where the first crease of your finger's at. Sorry guys if that's a little delay. It's up. There. After you have so basically once you do is after you fill this up, you wanna drain it so that these things can soak up a little bit. And then after that you want to take some plastic wrap and you want to put it over your cat grass. And then you want to put it, we have a germination chamber. And so basically what we do is we put it in where the cat grass is facing in front so that we can see. And once the cat grass pops, then we take the plastic wrap off and we fill it up with water. We fill the tray with water, we leave the water in there. And then what we do is we just let it sit about a week and a half to 2 weeks. And then after that, we sell it at the market. If you like what you saw today, make sure to subscribe, like and subscribe to never miss out on any new tutorials and updates on the farm. And yeah, that's all for today. Bye.